Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you my colorful Easter table setting. I made the most fabulous find last week. We were switching things around as we are clearing out our guest house to make my studio, and then clearing out the shop and clearing out this and that, kind of snowballing storage moving around. I found a box that my grandma gave to me probably at least 10 years ago of some vintage china, and I'm going to use that today to create an Easter colorful tablescape. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like DIY and decor ideas on a budget. Today is also my 2018 spring themed DIY and decor challenge, so make sure to check out the playlist in the description box below to see all of the videos taking part today. And if you are taking part in the challenge, make sure to add your video to the playlist today. Let me share with you my colorful, vintage inspired Easter tablescape idea.
So here is my grandma's vintage china. It has a really beautiful blue, pink, and gold color scheme. So I found this gold cutlery on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. And these faux bird's nests are from afloral.com. One DIY I did here was wrapping some plant pots and some tulip vases with some cabbage leaves, and then I tied that on with baker's twine. Definitely easier said than done. If you have any tips on how to remove leaves from cabbages all in one piece, I would love to hear them in the description box below. But I think overall the DIY looks really cute. I also put some chocolate Easter eggs in some gold bowls for the kids, which I think is a fun addition to the Easter table. I love this combination of navy and bright pink and gold. I probably wouldn't have thought of putting these all together until I saw my grandma's vintage plates. I think it is such a cheerful and dramatic look for Easter. This table runner was a really simple DIY. I just took some fabric I had in my fabric stash and just ripped it, so it has kind of this frayed edge to it. I also added some navy colored and white colored cushions on my sofa here. You can see one of them is from my own collection, and then I added some more of grandma's vintage china onto the sideboard to tie everything together. I am loving this beautiful, colorful Easter tablescape, and the best part is that it's based off of my grandma's vintage china, so it's a really meaningful setting for Easter this year.
Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you found some inspiration here in this colorful, vintage-inspired Easter table setting idea. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what your favorite part of my Easter table setting is. Make sure to watch all of the videos in my spring DIY and decor challenge today. Again, I'll leave that playlist in the description box below, and I'll see you guys all again in my next video. Bye!